Lilian Bernal Aguilar, 10th grade, Group A. William Golding. William Golding was born on September 19, 1911 on Newgate, Cornwall, England, and he died on 1993. He attracted a cult of followers, especially among the youth of the post-World War I and World War II generation. He was an English novelist who, in 1983, he won the Nobel Prize of Literature, and in 1980, he won the International Booker Prize. Golding's first published novel in 1954 was The Lord of the Flies. The book explores the darkest side of human nature and stresses the importance of the reason and intelligence as tools for dealing with the chaos of existence. In the novel, children are evacuated from Britain because of a nuclear war. One airplane with adults and preschool boys are passengers crashes on an uninvited island, and all the adults are killed. As the boys fashion their own society, their attempts at establishing a social order gradually devolve into savagery, finally abandoning all moral constraints. The boys commit murder before they are rescued and returned to civilization. Thank you.